Hello, a very good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, fine. From it's been so long, right? I was held up with my few works, and a lot of works was pending for me to complete, and that's why I couldn't update my videos regularly. Really sorry for that, and thank you for asking me like what happened, why you are not posting. I received so many emails daily regarding that, and thank you so much for your love and support. Okay, so from today onwards you will be regularly getting my videos. Okay, so I got a few queries, so regarding that I'll post things based on that queries, as well as subject related things, and mock paper discussion. Everything will be done continuously. Okay, so please don't skip, watch continuously. And before entering into the video, if you're watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe, and if you find it useful, please do share it with your friends. Okay, and if you have any queries, please do put it as a comment. Thank you so much. So first video, I'm not mentioning the name here. The query was like whether medical coding is a good career or not. That is a question. Okay. See, according to you people, what do you think about good career and what is bad career? Nothing like that. Okay, good career and bad career, nothing is like that. See, if we get job satisfaction, and if we get enough salary means, then you will consider it as a good career. Bad career means what? If you are not paid properly, or if you are not, after studying that course, if you are not getting job, then it is considered as a bad career. So there is no profession which is considered as good or bad. It all depends on the person. Okay, for example, if I am trying a job, okay, if I am trying for a job, according to me, if you ask me personally, for me medical coding is a superb career, because from 2015 onwards I am earning well through this profession only. Okay, so for me, like I'm meeting all my day-to-day needs. I can support my family. I'm earning very well, and whatever things I need, I'm getting it out. So for me, medical coding is a good career, and whoever working in this field, they will surely say it is a good career only, because it is out of our expectation. So most of us, when we are a fresher, we will be expecting like we should get starting salary of some 15,000 or 20,000, like that we will be having an expectation. If you are a certified fresher, then your salary scale starts above 25,000. Okay, then being a fresher, it is a very good salary, right? So then it is considered as a good profession only. Before, and one more thing, I let you know, whatever profession you are going to choose, or whatever course you are going to choose, it's a kind request, before joining the course, please do research work on your behalf. Okay, please Google about that profession. Like if you are choosing for medical coding, search what is medical coding, what medical coders will do, where and all I can get opportunity, whether as many training academy says, like there are advanced medical coding, general medical coding, there is nothing like that. Okay, medical coding in the sense, like for completing this certification, to become a certified medical coder, you have to learn something. Without learning, we cannot clear that examination. So based on that, for clearing that examination, you should take up the training, that is called as certification training. Okay, so you have to choose that only, and once you complete the training, immediately you should give your exams. But what many of the students will do is, they will join some academies, and they will learn only anatomy and physiology, and the company will be recommending them to some companies, so they will consider them as a fresher. So most of the case, you have just learned anatomy and physiology only, you are not a certified coder. Okay, certified coder means it's a license to work. So you are not a certified coder means you will be getting some 8,000, 10,000 or maximum 12,000. That's it. So you will have lot of works to do, you will feel frustrated, you will not be happy with that salary, but due to some like what living situation we are forced to do that. Okay, but I request you all, if you are choosing medical coding as your career, please do the certification, clear your certification exam and then join for a job. Even if a company is providing you less salary, for example say 18,000 or 15,000 or anything, okay, being a certified coder, even though if you are getting a less salary, never ever consider, you have a very good international certification with you, gain experience, don't sit at home ideally after completing your certification, go for a job, whatever salary may be, okay, join for the job, gain at least 1 year experience, get your appraisal, leave the company and join the next company. 100% I am telling you, you will be properly recognized and you will get a very good increment as well as salary in the second company if you are not happy with your first company. Okay, this is what I can say. So medical coding is a very good career if you are trying really hard, and again I am telling you, please make note of it, without completing your certification, if you are joining a company, you will be paid less. That won't be a satisfaction for you to grow your career. That is one thing. And second thing, according to medical coding, many companies, like I'm not telling all the companies, 100% all the companies I'm not telling you, many companies, nearly 80% of the company will take only life science graduate. If you are not a life science graduate, there is only 20% chance to get to work as a medical coder. So in that 20%, if you are a lucky person, you will get a job, otherwise you won't. So before choosing that, you have to ask your academy, like I'm a non-life science graduate, is there any chance to get a job? Okay, make clear everything. Without clearing it, you are just paying the fees and you are joining with them, and if you are not getting job and you will come and blame like this field is not good, don't join this field. Why you want to spoil others' career also? There is no need, no. First the research work should be done by you. Before joining a training academy, you have to ask them, ma'am, is there any job security, whether if I'm investing so much money, after completing this course will I get the job? You ask them, the trainer or the representing person will be the correct person to guide you properly. Okay, and once you confirm with this, then only you have to join the program. This is what I can say. Okay, and whoever have a doubt like whether it is a good field or not, I am telling you, medical coding is a very good career path. Now it is flourishing, and many of you have the doubts like after 1 year will they throw me out, after 2 years will they throw me out. Nothing like that. It all depends. Again I am telling you, it all depends on you. If you really work hard and if you are what to say, if you are passionate towards your work, nobody will throw you out. If you are not working properly, it's not only coding, any job it may be, they will terminate you. Okay, so there is no chance like company will send you out if you are properly working and all. No company will do that. Okay, that is one thing. And one more thing I'll let you know, that I'll update you in second video. Okay, now for your clarification, this is more than enough. If you are a life science graduate and if you are really passionate towards working, 100% you can choose medical coding. It's a very good career, and wherever you are joining, learn something from that company. Okay, like ask your team leader, ask your manager, ask your senior coder, whoever is working with you, try to understand that project and learn something from that. Don't simply waste your time. Okay, time is very, very precious, so you have to learn something, grow your career. Okay, so here in this field you can really earn very, very, very well. So I kindly request, like if you are passionate towards it, before joining medical coding, do your own research work and think whether I can work in this field, whether I'll be happy if I join with this firm. Like that, you think twice, do your research work, then only you join. For me, I'm telling you, if you ask me a proper guidance, I'll surely tell you, you will be really happy, you will be really paid very well in medical coding comparing with other field if you are a life science graduate. Okay, hope this video is clear for you. Thank you so much for watching continuously. So here there will be next query series also, so please keep on watching, and if whatever doubts you have regarding coding, you can post it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your time. Bye bye. Take care.